Hi, I'm Sammy from Peggy and today I want to show you what's inside our start kit. If you want to pack down your tent, and I'm talking about a tent what is in front of your caravan, you have a lot of anchoring points and a lot of gyro bladders that you need to pack down. So therefore we have just a big selection of these two packs in there, screw packs. This is our N pack, it goes in 85% of all the ground conditions. All our pegs don't need to be screwed in all the way. That means you screw as far as the peg wants to go itself and until it grips. You can always feel if it grips. And then you set the blue hook at the lowest position as possible and click it in. This way you distribute you set the leverage force to 0 and can attach your guy ropes and your gyro bladders onto this hook. There are also quite a lot of eyelets and mats that need to be packed down. For this we have our small pack. You can simply screw it in all the way. To fix down all these points, we obviously need a tool as well. So here you have the combi tool. You can either screw it by hand or with an electric driver. And I always suggest to use the electric driver with a tent, because that way you just don't have to use so much energy for doing this, and you can enjoy your holiday much better. And it goes really quick. So we have our 30 N packs in here, the standard one, with the hooks. Please always use the hooks, otherwise you don't have the effect of setting the leverage to 0 and you don't need to go in all the way. We have 20 of the small one, we have the tool, and we have 2 pre-drills, meaning that you can set, if it is really getting tough and hard conditions, really dry, simply can pre-drill a hole and then set the peg afterwards. And this is basically it. You have a good amount of screws here to secure your tent. Bye!